In the past 10 years, China has experienced significant growth and achieved notable success across various sectors, particularly in infrastructure development. Chinese engineers have gained a reputation for their expertise in this field, drawing recognition from countries worldwide, many of which seek collaboration and knowledge exchange with China. Surprisingly, even a superpower like the United States has turned to Chinese technology to undertake major projects, such as rebuilding a bridge, which incurred costs of up to $2.6 billion. Despite initial skepticism about China's construction capabilities, the completion of projects like the bridge has compelled Western nations to acknowledge, and in some cases, envy China's achievements. In this video, we explore China's remarkable capabilities in building infrastructure that meets global standards. So, stick around as we uncover the intricacies of China's expertise in constructing world-class infrastructure. Data reveals that over a quarter of the top 250 infrastructure contractors globally hail from China, highlighting the country's dominance in this sector. Even prominent nations, like the US, often seek China's assistance in their infrastructure endeavors. Notably, in 2013, China undertook a groundbreaking project in New York by successfully repairing the Hamilton Bridge. Despite its daunting complexity, China's involvement in the project garnered widespread acclaim, showcasing its proficiency in infrastructure development. How did China secure this project? What was the process involved in renovating the Hamilton Bridge? The Alexander Hamilton Bridge, spanning the Harlem River in New York City, stands as one of the world's busiest highway intersections. Completed in early 1963, it was named in honor of Alexander Hamilton, a key figure in American history. Connecting Manhattan and Brown City, it witnesses heavy traffic, with up to 300,000 vehicles passing through daily. Due to its age, the bridge requires urgent renovation, recognized as the largest single project in the history of the New York Department of Transportation. This garnered significant attention from relevant U.S. ministries. Although the U.S. initially sought to handle the project internally, the scale of the endeavor necessitated international assistance. Through extensive bidding, China State Civil Engineering Company Limited emerged victorious, outperforming both multinational corporations and domestic contractors. Despite this achievement, some New Yorkers expressed discontent, questioning the necessity of involving foreign entities in what they deemed as straightforward repair work. However, the complexity of similar past endeavors, such as the failed attempt to renovate the Oakland Bay Bridge, highlighted the expertise required. Eventually, Chinese companies successfully undertook the reconstruction of the Oakland Bay Bridge, further solidifying their role in major infrastructure projects in the U.S. To prevent similar safety hazards from occurring on the Hamilton Bridge, the United States sought assistance from Chinese companies, ultimately entrusting the project to China. However, taking over the project marked just the initial phase, presenting numerous challenges for China to overcome before completing the bridge repairs. Primarily, the Hamilton Bridge serves as a vital transportation artery in New York City, accommodating tens of thousands of vehicles daily. Repairing the bridge would necessitate its closure during construction to ensure public safety. Yet the New York government requires uninterrupted vehicle movement on the bridge throughout the restoration process, posing a significant challenge for the Chinese construction team. Furthermore, the repair of the Hamilton Bridge represents China's inaugural overseas bridge construction project in the United States, carrying substantial implications for China's infrastructure expansion on a global scale. A successful repair would serve as a compelling endorsement of China's infrastructure capabilities. Conversely, a failure could undermine China's reputation in this domain. Addressing these challenges required meticulous planning and innovation. Chinese engineers conducted thorough 3D simulations of the bridge construction, refining the original plan multiple times to ensure smooth project execution. Measures such as widening the bridge deck and redirecting traffic flow were implemented to mitigate logistical challenges. However, complications arose during the concrete pouring of the bridge deck, as the steel structure exhibited unexpected changes post-expansion. Coupled with the high cost of American labor and local resources, these challenges tested the resilience of the Chinese construction team. Furthermore, amidst a financial crisis in the United States, the governor of New York State contemplated suspending the Hamilton Bridge project. In this challenging environment, Chinese companies demonstrated their commitment as a major global player. Despite the pressure, China upheld fair wages for suppliers and workers of subcontracting firms, fulfilling their agreements without compromise. As a result, China assisted the United States in completing the Hamilton Bridge repairs at a cost of $400 million, or 2.6 billion yuan, significantly lower than the projected expenses if handled by U.S. engineering firms. China's involvement in the project garnered widespread acclaim in New York, bolstering the reputation of the Chinese company and paving the way for future collaborations. Ultimately, the Chinese construction team successfully navigated through the crisis, delivering the project as scheduled. The endeavor generated numerous job opportunities for the local community while maintaining smooth traffic flow. This collaborative effort between China and the United States exemplified a win-win partnership, positioning China as a leader in the infrastructure construction sector. Following the successful completion of the Alexander Hamilton Bridge Repair Agreement, China received numerous accolades from both the U.S. and international communities for its efficient, scientific, and safe bridge construction practices. This recognition further solidified China's reputation and fostered increased cooperation between China and the United States in various infrastructure projects. Subsequently, the United States has continued to seek collaboration with China in areas such as high-speed rail and metro development. Currently, China stands at the forefront of global infrastructure development. While projects like the Hamilton Bridge may not match the scale of domestic super bridge endeavors, such as the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, its successful construction and repair have significantly raised awareness of China's infrastructure prowess worldwide. Consequently, numerous countries facing unfinished bridge projects are turning to China for assistance. Beyond the United States, nations like Brazil, Bangladesh, and various European countries have sought China's expertise in constructing large-scale bridges. This trend not only enhances China's infrastructure capabilities, but also fosters its further development. It's noteworthy that construction standards vary between domestic and foreign projects, with many countries requiring China to adhere strictly to their standards. By aligning with these standards, China not only leverages construction strengths, but also integrates advanced technology from other countries, thereby advancing its bridge-building capacity. The evolution of China's infrastructure endeavors is evident, transitioning from developing roads and ports in Africa and other developing regions to competitively bidding for major projects in the United States and Europe. Notably, Chinese companies dominate the global construction scene, with 5 of the top 10 contractors, including China Construction Corporation C, or CCCC, surpassing renowned American counterparts like Bechtel. CCCC's diverse portfolio includes projects such as school construction, apartment complexes, and a massive casino in Atlantic City. In New York, CCCC has secured bids for subway system renovations and new platforms near Yankee Stadium. Meanwhile, in Europe, China has inked contracts with Serbia for bridge and road construction, along with significant projects like renovating a coal-fired power plant. Additionally, China's involvement extends to Hungary, where a new mobile network is being built, and Bulgaria, where plans are underway to sell a nuclear power plant based on French designs. The expansive European construction market holds great interest for China, as noted by the European Society of Builders and Carpenters. China's remarkable strides in infrastructure development globally underscore its growing influence and expertise in the field. What infrastructure project in your country do you believe could benefit from collaboration with Chinese expertise? Feel free to share your insights in the comments below. Join the Revel Discovery community by subscribing and stay updated on this critical shift in global economics. As we explore these significant developments, your perspective is invaluable. Keep engaged with us.